to the final problem. Yes, well, the final problem has a very simple instruction. Find the missing side. Okay, this is the figure that is provided. A polygon. We have information about this polygon, and all sides are known. This is 3, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. The only missing one is this one, so you have to find it. And well, this is a very interesting problem because in order to solve it, we have to think in a very geometrical way, and that's the kind of thinking I want you to develop. Okay, so that's the reason I choose to put this problem in the exam. Okay, so in order to solve this problem, let's think about its configuration, and for a minute let's forget about this side and this other side. Okay, this will be clear in a minute why we are doing this, because we want this, only this configuration, because if we do that, we end up with this kind of construction. Yes, like a C shape. Yes, and we know this is right angle, right angle. This is 3, this is 4, this is 5. And if we trace, let me take another marker. If we trace this other side, we end up with a classic problem of geometry of proportional triangles, and find this side is a classic problem. Okay, you know this from previous stages. To make this problem easier, let's like turn the figure. We know that this side is right, is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees. So if we like turn the figure, let me do it with the camera in order to see what I want you to see. Can you see? They are parallel lines. They are parallel lines. Yes, and this is straight. So let's do it in the in the whiteboard. It's like this. Yes. This is 90. This is 90. This is 3, 4, and 5. And we want to find this side. Okay. So to make it, let me take another color. Very helpful. We will kinda move this side through the side of 3. Okay, this side we will move it, the side of length 4, we will move it along this other side of 3, here, like this, 4. And this side of 3 we will move it just down here, and we have, as you can see, now we have a right triangle. Okay, because this we move this without changing the angle. That's the reason this works. Okay, so this is right, this is 4, and all this is 3 plus 5, so this is 8. And we can easily find this blue side, okay, just by applying Pythagoras, because it's the same, because we only move this along the 3 lane, the side of 3 of length 3, sorry, and we move the side of length 3 all the way down along the side of length 4. Okay, this is 4, this is 8. Through Pythagorean theorem you can make 4 plus 8 square root. Yes, and this is 16 plus 64. Yes, root, and this is 80. Yes or no? You can make me see my mistakes if I make one, please. It's root of 80. Okay, so solving this problem of attaching of meeting these 2 points, this point and this point, if we trace this blue side, we are actually doing this, and this is basically doing these points. Let me put names on the points. This is, let's say, point A. This is point B. So in the original figure, point A is this one. Yes or no? Just let me do this with the camera, and now you can see very clear that this is point B. Okay, this is point A and point B, and the side from A to B, we already know, is root of 80. Okay, so in the original figure, this another marker is basically this. Yes, so you can now forget about these sides, you can forget about it, and you have this triangle. Pretty simple, isn't it? 80, and it's a right triangle. Hypotenuse is 80, the other side is 3, so you can find this pretty straightforward. Is 80 root of, I mean, with the Pythagorean theorem, you know, this is the hypotenuse, this is the one of the legs, so this is squared minus the 3 squared root of that. So let's do this calculation here below. Is 80 squared minus 3 squared root of that. Oh my god, I want to do it. Well, it's a number, okay, and this number is the solution, so just do it. Maybe we can apply some algebra. Let's do it. It's 80, this is a difference of squares, yes, so it's 80 minus 3 multiplying 80 plus 3. This is if you reach this part, you're done, okay, you're basically solved the problem. You're gonna use your calculator or whatever. I am doing this because I don't want to end the video without telling the solution, okay, so let me erase here, and 80 minus 3 is 77. Oh my god, 83 root of that. Let's do the multiplication. Oh my god, I don't have a calculator, sorry. So this is 21. Please tell me if I am doing this wrong. I am not very good at doing multiplication with actual numbers. So this is 1. It's the same, yes? If I am making a mistake, please put it in the comments, because my brain is doing 200% of its work. So this is so I think that's the solution. The root of that, yes, must be the solution. A pretty beautiful geometrical problem, doesn't it? Okay, any doubt you may have, put it in the comments. I hope you don't lose in the final calculation. If you think I am not doing it right, just forget it. The important thing is all the geometric constructions we did and how we reach this final answer, okay? The rest is just calculation that probably may make wrong. Sorry. See you guys.